Hi parents, I am Ankita, blending Montessori, neuroscience, music and positive parenting to help you follow the lead of your amazing child from day one to forever. Today we are talking about sing-along books. Now what are sing-along books? These are nothing but books which have the song illustrated in them and you can sing along with your child, which basically means the entire song is there in beautiful pictorial formats. I've come across 4 of these beautiful sing along books that I have used with my child from when she was 1.5 to 2 years old, and she's thoroughly enjoyed them. The first one is Down by the Bay by Ruffy. The song is amazing. I will sing that to you in a minute, but I want to talk about the book, the illustrations. Now, this book, the song Down by the Bay, has been sung by Ruffy, and the illustrator is Nadine Bernard Westcott. Now, let me show you the illustrations of this beautiful book. It has the entire song illustrated pictorially. It looks stunning, and children can really immerse themselves in the music, in the song, with all the different paragraphs happening. So now that you've seen the book, let's sing along exactly how you're probably going to be doing with your children. Down by the bay, where the watermelon grows, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a goose kissing a moose? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelon grows, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale with a polka dot tail? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelon grows, back to my home, I dare not go, because if I do, my mother will say, what will she say? Have you ever seen a fly wearing a tie? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelon grows, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say. Did you ever see a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay? And then it has lovely paragraphs. For example, did you ever see llamas eating their pajamas? Down by the bay, right? And did you ever see an orange eating a blouse? Down by the bay? So you can make up your own gibberish paragraphs. Now, the most beautiful part about Rafi's songs are, you can find them on YouTube on his channel. But for these books, you can pick them up on Amazon. Now let's go to the next one. I doubt there is a child who has not heard Wheels on the Bus, but I also doubt there is a better Wheels on the Bus version than this. So I'm just gonna dive in straight because everyone's heard this song. Yes? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all round the town. And then the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all round the town. The driver on the bus goes, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes, move on back, all round the town. Now, it's so beautifully illustrated, this particular book, because the entire song comes to life. If your child is interested in music, do try the sing-along books. And now for one of our favorite books by Ruffy. Now, this is Baby Beluga. It has been sung by Ruffy, illustrated by Ashley Wolf. And it goes, Baby Beluga in the deep blue sea, swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above, sea below, and a little white whale on the go. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga. Is the water warm? Is your mama home with you? So happy. Way down yonder where the dolphins play, where you dive and splash all day. Waves roll in and waves roll out. See the water skirting out of your spout. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga. Is your water warm? Is your mama home with you? So happy. Again, this song is beautiful, and it kind of talks about, the ocean and all the animals on the other side of the world. Highly recommend this. Finally, the book A Hole in the Bottom of the Sea. Now, this one came with a CD. I got it from Amazon, and this was fantastic. It's adapted by Jessica Law, illustrated by Jill McDonnell, and sung by the Flannery Brothers. I'm sure you can find it on YouTube as well. And this is how the book looks. It's really friendly. And the song is very interesting because it has a lot of pattern and sequencing to it. So it goes, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. In the dark, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. He's concealed from the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. And it goes, there's a squid and an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. Who hid from the eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea? La la la, la la la. La 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 la. Now it goes on, right? The pattern goes on, and at the end, we are really singing about so many animals. For example, there's a weed and a snail and a crab and a squid and an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. Grows at speed past the snail and the crab and the squid and the eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. So it's super fun because towards the end there is this sheet which have all the animals illustrated, right? The shark, the eel, the squid, and so on and so forth. And your child can actually picture the order and do some sequencing in the song. And it's really interesting. So these are my 4 recommendations of sing-along books. There will be more book recommendations coming your way, more songs coming your way. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you soon in next week's video.